Conversation 1. Have you ever been to Japan?
Have you ever been to Japan? I'm going in the fall.
Yeah, I've been there twice.
Really? Tell me about it. What's it like?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Where did you go?
On my first trip, I went to Tokyo. And on my second, I visited Kyoto.
What did you think of Tokyo?
Very big and exciting, but really crowded too.
Yeah, I've seen pictures of the crowded subways.
And the restaurants are excellent, but they're kind of expensive.
And how about Kyoto?
Kyoto is lovely. It's a very historic city, very peaceful and quiet.
Wow, that sounds great. What about the weather?
Well, the first time I went was in August, so it was really hot and humid. But the second time was in October, and it was great. Warm and sunny, but not humid.
Sounds perfect. I'm really looking forward to my trip.
Conversation 2. Which city did you like better?
Oh, hi, Anna. When did you get back from Canada?
The day before yesterday. I only visited Montreal and Ottawa, but I had a great time.
Which city did you like better?
That's hard to say. I think Ottawa is prettier. It has better sightseeing, too. But Montreal is more exciting. It has better shopping, and the stores are cheaper and more interesting.
Which one has better nightlife?
Oh, Montreal for sure. It definitely has more restaurants and clubs. In fact, they say Montreal is the most exciting city in Canada.
Really? Well, I've always wanted to see Vancouver. I've heard it has the most beautiful scenery.